In this video, I'm going to share with you a tutorial on how to use the MorningFame keyword research tool to get more views on your YouTube videos and grow your channel. This is one of the major tools I'm using as I'm working on growing my channel, and I'll walk you through the process here. So let's cue the intro, and we'll switch over to my computer so I can show you how it works. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So here we are on my YouTube analytics dashboard, and you're seeing that there is, some growth going on my channel. It's not a lot yet because I'm just getting started with my channel, but you can see that a good amount of my my growth is coming from YouTube search. So the way that I'm doing this is I'm using the MorningFame keyword research tool to research keywords for my videos before I actually record the video. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works here, how you can grow your channel using MorningFame. Okay, so here we are on the MorningFame keyword research tool, and now you can see there's a couple of different options here. You have a topic in mind that you can put in here, or you have a video that inspired you that you can put the link in there, and that'll give you some ideas as well. Also, it'll give you some recommendations as far as, create something similar to something you've created in the past, or create something similar to something that's already been done by another channel that is similar to yours. So you can see here there's several different videos and channels that are coming up as something that would be related to my channel. And MorningFame gets this from your actual channel, so it sees your channel and it's recommending videos based on your actual channel. So what you can do, here's what I like to do, is I like to go with this one. I like to start with a topic in mind. And the way that I do this is I would start typing something, and a lot of times it'll make recommendations. So, okay, so for example, it's giving me different recommendations of keywords that I can try to go for. Let's just kind of go with this one, affiliate marketing for beginners. And now it's going to take me over to the next screen, which is giving me some more ideas of different keywords that I can go for. You can see here, uncommon keywords are great choices for smaller channels. So if you have a small channel, definitely look maybe at something over here. You also want to look for a keyword that has a green check mark. The green check mark means that it is one of the keywords that will show up in the keyword research in the keyword autofill. So like if you're going to YouTube, let me show you an example. You go to YouTube. Let me switch out of here. Okay, so here we are on YouTube, and you can see here that there's the search bar. So what you can do is, here's one of the basic ideas for keyword research. You can start typing something in, and this is called the keyword soup method. Now, you can see here that YouTube is recommending different keywords to me. The reason that YouTube is recommending these keywords is because YouTube knows that these are commonly searched keywords. So it's making a recommendation of other, keywords based on commonly searched keywords. So the green check mark over here in MorningFame means that it's one of the keywords that will show up in that autofill section. So you know that people are searching for these keywords when they have the green check mark. So for example, I could select something like, I'll go with this one. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? That's a keyword. So I'm going to choose this for step 3. And now MorningFame is giving me a grade based on my own actual channel. So here's how this works. It has a green check mark, which means that it's one of those commonly searched keywords, and it has a score of 23. That is 23 out of 100. So 23 out of 100 is the score. I can hit this here to save it as a favorite idea for a keyword. Now here it's showing subscribers. So this is the score for subscribers. So based on my channel, I have 12 subscribers currently. The lowest ranking video for this keyword has 575 subscribers. The highest ranking video for this keyword has 67,000 subscribers. So it's giving me a score of F because my subscribers are so low, it's hard to even compete. Next, it's also giving me a score of F for views, which means that my videos don't generally have as much views as these other videos have. For example, the lowest video ranking for this keyword has 967 views, which isn't all that low. I mean that's not all that high. It's pretty low. The highest video has 56,000 views, and my channel has an average of 3 views across all the videos. So again, I'm still growing, so my stats are still low. It's also giving me an F in likes and comments. One of the things that the YouTube algorithm takes into consideration is engagement on the video, including likes and comments. So if the videos are getting a lot of likes and comments, that makes it harder for you to compete. So in these 3 categories, you see that I'm getting F in all of these, but then over here in relevance, I'm getting a score of A. What that means is that the people who are ranking for this keyword are not highly optimized for the keyword. And here's what I mean by that. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? That exact keyword keyword phrase shows up in the title of the video. Also, it shows up, a lot of that, not the whole thing, but a lot of it shows up in the description of the video you can see here. And if we show the tags, you can see that the exact keyword is also in one of the tags, and also similar keywords are also in the tags here. So this one, it has a score of 69% relevance, which means that it's 69% optimized. The metadata is 69% optimized for this keyword according to MorningFame's grade. You can see that this one is only 27% optimized. This one's 29% optimized because the exact keyword phrase isn't showing up in the title. And you can see across the board here that most of these, this one has the exact keyword phrase in the title and in the description. So that is 74% optimized right here. And then you can see, basically you can see that a lot of the channels are optimizing for this keyword, but then a lot of the videos are not directly optimizing for this keyword. So based on the fact that it has a score of A, that means I can potentially outdo them based on optimizing my video for this keyword. So what I'll do next is I'll kind of show you how you can come up with different keywords that maybe would be easier to rank for. What you can do is how that works is hit on suggestions plus right here, and it's going to suggest other keywords that maybe would be better. Okay, so here's another example that I could potentially go for. What is affiliate marketing and how to start with it? So now that has a score of 75 out of 100, so that is actually looking a little bit more attractive. Still getting an F's over here. And you can see here that MorningFame suggests that you at least get a D for these and at least a B for here. I recommend going for an A here. And if you have a small channel in a competitive niche, then F is fine. A small channel and competitive niche, you can go ahead and go for F. If you have a small channel and the niche isn't so competitive, then definitely aim for B's here. But my niche, it's very competitive. So as a small channel, there's very little chance I'm going to find anything better than an E. I really haven't found much that's better than an E that I would go for. So, but definitely most of what I'm finding is F. So here in these 3 categories. So I'm looking for F's in these 3 and an A in relevance. That's what I want to get. And this one is looking like it's even less optimized. So the people ranking for this, the videos ranking for this keyword are less optimized than the other keyword. So we're going to do a comparison here. So let's do a comparison right here. Go down here, search history. Now we're comparing what is affiliate marketing and how to start with it, and we're comparing it directly with what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. So you can see here, this one only has a score of 23. Again, this one has a score of 75. This one's probably a better one to go for. This one, there's more views on the videos, which makes it maybe more competitive. But still, if you can compete, it's going to be better for you. Yeah, so this one has more views. So this one's going to be a little bit more competitive, but it's also a better chance of getting a lot of views from it. So I would probably do both of these. I've actually already done a video here on this one. So now next I'll probably do a video on what is affiliate marketing and how to start with it. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to choose for step 4. Now the other great thing about MorningFame is not only can you do your keyword research using MorningFame, but you can also do the optimization using MorningFame as well. So now it's showing that right now I have a score of D for relevance. Okay, but that's easy to change. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this phrase to my notepad. I'm going to paste it in right here. Now you can see I've shot up to a B because the exact keyword is now also in the description as well. So optimizing for keywords means you put the title, you put the keyword in the title, you put the keyword in the description, you also put the keyword in the tag. So I'm going to add a tag right here. And you can see now that my score has gone up to A because now I've highly optimized this metadata over to the specific keyword. So I have a strong chance of ranking for this keyword based on the relevance. Now my channel is still small, so that's going to make it harder. And this is a competitive keyword, so that is going to make it harder. But as I grow my channel, then I have a chance to get a lot of views from a video like this. And then now you can see also it's showing that I have 546 out of 500 characters used for my tags. So I need to take some of these out. So I'll just go and get rid of that one. I'll get rid of that. I'll probably get rid of that. And I'm 509, so I'll get rid of that. And okay. So now I'm at 488, so that's better. So now my tags, I'm going to get rid of this one too because I don't need that. And now I'm going to try maybe to see something else that I can replace it with. I'm going to do suggested from this one. So here, let me just put that in there. Okay, 43. Maybe I can even do one more. Let's do that. 513. No, that's too much. So affiliate marketing website. I'll just get rid of that. Okay. I'll just leave it like this. So these are the tags. Here's the description. I can type something else into the description if I like. Video. So I can type something like that just to kind of fill it out with more information. Having a description there that has a lot of different keywords in there and related keywords, that'll help you rank as well. So you can fill out your description with good words, good description, good information, that'll help you rank as well. So now what you would do is you would record the video, and then in the title you would put this, in the description you would put this, and in the tags you would put this. That's all it would really take. Also, another cool thing is that it also is showing you thumbnails. So you can see here that there's different videos. It's showing the thumbnails. You can put your own thumbnail in here. Let me just kind of go pick something just random. And so you can see now, you can compare your thumbnail to the other thumbnails just to kind of see if it stands out, if it looks like it'll get more clicks. So that's another good thing. You also notice that I saved it here, which means that now it's in my saved keyword list. So now I have a bunch of keywords here. These are all different keyword ideas that I've saved in the past. And some of these I've already created videos on. So yeah, that's it in a nutshell. That's how to do keyword research with MorningFame. You can also, let me kind of back up a little bit here, show you some other things here. No, I'm not going to do that. So let me know in the comments. Do you have MorningFame? Have you used it? What's been your experience with it if you've tried it? Also, did you have any questions about anything I shared here in this video? Hopefully everything was clear to you. So if you have questions, make sure to drop a comment and I'll get back to you. And if you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.